Hey you, yes you, see all these wonderful people right here? They are my Patreons. With the support I get from them, I can afford to do my passion as a career and bring you guys weekly videos. Want to join them? For just $1 a month, you can get videos 24 hours before anyone else. And for even higher tiers, you can get Polaroids, letters, and mystery boxes from me to you. And even fursuit parts, not to mention my eternal thanks. So what are you waiting for? Become a Patreon today via the link in the description. Thanks again, enjoy the video.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to This Week in the Workshop, the series where I give you updates on what's happening in my life, as well as the always look forward to comment of the week, question of the week, and hate comment of the week, because not everyone is nice. So this week in my workshop, I've been working on this Dracubus Fursuit. You guys would have seen the tutorial for this gal. And honestly, I haven't actually gotten as much done these past 2 weeks as I tend to, simply because of reasons I'll disclose later in the video. But yes, I've just finished off the base carve for the Dracubus with the huge ears that go all the way down to their waist. I hope the commissioner has a strong neck, because they are going to be heavy, but I digress. I'm pretty happy with how the base turned out, to be honest. I really hope that it looks good furred, because that's what's most important. And I've never made the species before, and only 2 fursuits exist, so I'm really hoping this suit turns out good. I've also started on the feet paws, so that's good too. Alright, so another thing we need to do today is the comment of the week. This one is from Joshua Childress. I'm a bed. I took a diarrhea watching this, seeing so easy it was. Well, I hope you and your pants are okay, Joshua. Thank you for your brilliant, insightful addition to my comment section. Thanks very much. And honestly, the reason why I haven't gotten as much work done as I would have liked is simply because my 3D printer died again. Kevin carked it with a ripper of a filament blockage. So he's currently in the shop getting fixed up. Apparently they had to take the hot head home and put it in the oven for it to actually be cleared. So I'm looking to get that replaced, because apparently they can get a bit sticky, so I heard. So hopefully Kevin will be back soon and I'll be able to full steam ahead on commission work. But for now, I'm going to work on the bodysuit and other stuff that doesn't require 3D printed parts. And unfortunately, in the case of the Dracubus, I need to 3D print bones for the tail. So I can't even do the tail. I can do the bodysuit and feet and hand paws, which are already done. But that's about it. So that's really frustrating. But you know what? That's okay. It happens. It happens. Okay, now we are going to be moving on to question of the week. This one comes from Stacey Mulgan. Hey, I'm thinking about buying a partial with 4-finger hand paws, but I don't know how I'm supposed to wear it. Where does the other finger go? Does it get uncomfortable after a while? Any and all responses are appreciated. So when you wear 4-fingered hand paws, your hands are like this. This is how they say to wear them. Honestly, I find that is the most comfortable way to wear it. It feels a bit uncomfortable, honestly, when you first wear it. I remember my hand would cramp up, but your hand kind of gets used to it after a while, and it just becomes second nature. And the finger should be wide enough that you can spread the 2 fingers even a little bit, so you kind of get some relief. Now, you might have noticed that the shelves behind me, which usually contain all the wonderful stuff you guys send me, along with a bunch of other stuff, is disappointingly empty. Well, that is because we are moving down the range back to my hometown. So that should be exciting, but it does mean that I can't do fursuit work, and also it means that my PO box address will change. You can still use the old address, like if you sent something and it's still arriving in the mail, don't worry, because I'll put a mail redirect out on it so we can get it back down to its proper location. But yeah, I'll let you guys know when I get the actual PO box down in the new place, so I'll pop the address up on my community tab, so please keep an eye out for that, as well as in the next PO box video that I make. So that's exciting. And I'm going to set up a new workshop. It's just going to be me and Bolt, no housemates this time, just us 2 and the cat. It's going to be a good time. Going to get to set up all our furniture. It's going to be fun and stuff. And I think that's about it. But before we go, we are going to move on to hate comment of the week. This hate comment of the week, holy moly, I used to think your fursuits were trash, but this is impressive. I mean, thanks, I guess. I think. I mean, you could have worded it in a different way, like, wow, you've improved so much this suit. Or, you know, wow, you must have been working hard. But no. I used to think your suits were trash. It's okay, thank you for being honest, even though you were kind of mean about it. But, you know, thanks for the feedback anyway. And that concludes this week's episode of In the Workshop. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. And I will see you guys in a fortnight on this series, but, you know, in like a couple days for my next video. So, I'll see you there. Bye-bye.